Yeah, this project will cost 1.2 million, and government has fully funded for this project. For quite long time, there was a request from the hoteliers and the communities here at Korolebu for a fire station. And this year, we have planned for four fire station, and out of that four, one is Korolebu. And I'm happy that this morning we have officiated the groundbreaking ceremony, and the work will begin soon. Considering the hotels that we have in this area and the community at large. And previously, when we had fires at a few hotels, it took long for the firefighters to come on the scene. And now that we will have the station base here right at the Korolebu, that will ease a lot of problems for us. As you all are aware that we also have two more fire stations to be started this year, and we are very hopeful that within 2 or 3 months we will also have the commencement of those fire stations as well. So basically 2015 we're going to focus on the capital development.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
That's it.